The maximum length of a number that can be written in a cell in Excel is 15 digits. This means you can write a 15-digit number in a cell, but if you write more digits than that, Excel automatically converts the number into scientific notation or rounds off the last digit, as you can see. Select the cell of the number you want to convert from scientific to general and right-click. As soon as you right-click, then Format Cell. After going to Format Cell, a pop-up menu will open, and in that you need to click on Numbers. After clicking on Numbers, set the Sisas Banaman Natisa, set the decimal number to 0, and then select Positive Numbers and click OK. Now when you click OK, your number will be converted from a scientific number to a general number. Put a single quote. If you want to write a number with more than 15 digits in just a few cells, put a single quote before writing in that cell. This way, your number will not convert to a scientific number, as you can see. Using the text formula, numbers and scientific numbers can also be converted to general numbers. Let's take an example. Like we are looking at a number. I have written a number here. Now I need to convert this number to a general number. For this, first you will use the equal to sign. As soon as you write equal to, you need to select text. After selecting text, select this number in cell A1. Then in the form, make it 0 in text and close the bracket. See, your number has easily converted from a scientific number to a general number.